Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I pray you and your family are doing great. Today I am in my master bedroom. I'm going to clean it and refresh it a little bit. I bought some new items for the bed, a new comforter, fitted sheet, quilted sheet, some new pillows, and a few accessories here and there. So I would love it if you stick around to see the finished look. To clean the bed, I'm using a wet paper towel because I really like what it does to the fabric. It makes it look new. Whenever I'm cleaning my room, I like to make my bed first. For some reason, it inspires me to keep going. I've decided to switch from queen size pillows to king size pillow, and I am loving them. This quilted sheet, you guys, is just so beautiful. I'm using my new Glam comforter. I am super excited about it. I'm spraying some Glade carpet cleaner. I'm gonna let it sit there for a little while and I'm gonna go clean other surfaces. I just want to show you guys how I clean the base of this lamp, since a couple of you did ask the question on how I clean it. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos twice a week. If you like what you see so far, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to my returning Glam Squad, thank you. I am grateful that you have decided to follow me in my journey of creating my beautiful, glam and happy home. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Glam Style with Dalou. In this table, I'm using some photo frames to bring some intimacy to the room, but I don't like when the back of the frame is showing, so I'm using 2 photo frames back to back. Similar pictures. I'm using Dunny Unstoppable to bring some freshness to the curtains and some of the other fabrics in the room. On this side of the wall, I had a clock. It had fell down and broken. Now I'm putting this wall art to replace it. I also added this wall art to bring some gold in this corner. I am done. Let's see what it looks like.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth. Even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run it on me, leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking
Guys, just like I did for my Glam living room update, I'm gonna do a follow-up video. I will go over the new things since my last video and the old things for my new friends. I'm gonna cover the good and the bad of every single items, where I purchased them from, and prices. I will go over the new things first, so this way if you have seen my last bedroom videos, you don't have to watch the entire video if you don't want to. Last time I did it like that, you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you will enjoy the next one as well. And of course, everything that was purchased online will be in the description box. Please check it out to see if there's anything that you are interested in.
I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run it on me, leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
Glam Squad, please tell me which item or area is your favorite in the bedroom.
Too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run it on me, leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
Yes, Glam Squad, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. If you have any question or anything you would like to know, please put it below so we can go over it in the next video. Please share this video with all of your friends, your family, and in your social media pages. Check me out on Facebook and Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou. Do not leave the channel without subscribing and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I love you so much for spending your precious time with me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.